You know how it is sometimes. You make an intro or something like that and you're talking, then you're lost for words. You have silent pauses. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of them quickly and easily. So this is ClipChamp, a free and easy to use application where you can remove the silences in your videos. Down here on the bottom menu, you can go to search and search for ClipChamp. It might already be installed on your machine if you've got a Windows 10 or newer machine. If I go to create a new video, there's a link in the description also to work with ClipChamp online. So import media, if I go to my pictures and select a video, and then I'll drag that down onto the timeline. Here you've got two little stars, and it's just next to the scissors, and you tap on there and it's AI suggestions. So remove pauses and filler words. So if I tap on transcribe, so I've got a choice of review or remove all. So if I tap on, you can see on the timeline, you've got little splits in it. So if I do remove all, you can see the timeline shortened. If this is a mistake, I can always tap on the undo button. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe to watch the next one. Thanks for watching.